Hello student, hello friends. Let us understand how to use the GeoGebra application for plotting the graphs. This is the address bar of your browser. We have typed the address, the URL, that is www.geogebra.org/classic. Let us open it. So you can see on right hand side some other options are there. We are interested in graphing, or just keep it and click on the graph paper. There is a lot of space on this side. There is a input window or input box where you can write the functions directly. But today we are going to study how to use this GeoGebra Classic as a graph paper to plot the points and then to draw the line graph. So we don't need the input window for plotting the graphs of different functions. Suppose we want to plot some point 5, 2. So you can see the XY plane. This is x-axis. This is vertical axis is y-axis. There are some menus: point, select, then line, then to draw the polygons, circle. We are mainly interested in the zoom control and to plot the point and to join the line segment, this one. So let us go to the menu point. Suppose I am interested only first quadrant. So you can scroll the screen according to your requirement, so that visible quadrant you need, you can keep in front of you. Now as I am explaining to plot the points in all 4 quadrants, I am keeping my origin at the center. This is the origin. Now first point, suppose I want to plot the point in first quadrant 2, 5 or 2, 4. So I will select the point on x-axis 2, then on y-axis 4. So my first point is A, 2, 4. You can display the label Now if you want to observe its coordinates, you have to go to setting and you have to select the values also, name and value. So here I have plotted first point 2, 4. Let us plot the point in the second quadrant. Suppose -4, 3. So I will start from the origin, then -4, then 3. Again you have to change the setting to show name and label, name and value. So second point. Similarly third point, suppose you are in third quadrant. Suppose -5, -2. So I will start from origin, then -5, then -2. If you can change the coordinate by moving the point. Suppose if I plot this point or move this point to the y-axis, let us see what happens. Its x coordinates become 0. If I consider this a point on x-axis, its y coordinate becomes 0. So on x-axis, y coordinate becomes 0. Suppose let us plot one more point on the x-axis, on negative x-axis, for example, at this position. So point and -2. So this is E point. Let us check its coordinates. Its coordinates are minus 2 comma 0. Similarly, you can plot one more point on y-axis. Suppose I plot here F point. Let us check its coordinates. Its coordinate is 0 comma minus 4. So in this way we have plotted 6 points. Now how to draw the line graph? Let us use GeoGebra Classic for plotting the line graph. We have a data. Data is related with time and distance traveled. Time is r 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, and distance traveled is 30 km, 60 km, 90 km and 120 km. Now let us plot this data as a line graph on the GeoGebra Classic graph. First of all, we choose the first quadrant. So we have to move the graphics view. Now graphics view is visible now. Now second is you have to choose the scale. Like on x-axis we have to plot time 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no problem. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then on the distance traveled on the y-axis you have to choose the proper scale. So we have how many centimeters? You can see the 6 centimeters, and the data you have to place is 120. So this is the bigger data, so we have to choose the proper scale. If I plot the 120 here in 6 centimeters, then 120 divided by 6, that will be equal to 20. So we have to choose the scale like 20, then 40, then 60, 80, 100, and then it will be 120. The first centimeter is 1 hour, then it is 2 hour, 3 hour and 4 hour. Now we have to plot the point. The first point is 1 comma 30. So 1 comma 30, I am select the point 1 comma 30, 1, 30. 30 will be between 20 and 40. So point will be here. Then 2 comma 60, 2 comma 60 here. 3 comma 90 here. 90 will be between 80 and 100. 3 comma 90 is here. And 4 comma 120. 4 comma 120 is here. Now we have to join these all 4 points. You can move the graphic view. Yes. And now let us join them. You have to select the line segment tool. Join A with B, B with C, C with and C with D. So in this way we have plotted the line graph in the GeoGebra Classic. Thank you friends, thank you students.